Hey guys, welcome welcome back to the channel. jdevinci here, feeling really girly. Today we're going to be doing a wig install from Unice hair. This is like a really quick, easy install. I feel like all of my wig videos are very beginner friendly because I want you to know if I can do it, you can do it. So I hope you guys enjoy. Everything will be linked below in case you guys are interested. I did end up wand curling this hair. It took beautifully. Just a quick little wand curl because I don't even know how to curl hair. And yeah, let's hop straight into it.
Stop playing with him.
jdevinci and his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me and his bitch.
So guys, we're back with another wig install, this time from Unice or Unice hair. Briefly, the wig that I'm going to be installing today is 24 inches. It's like a blend of a color. I'm going to definitely leave everything in the description in case you're interested. Inside of the package, they did give us some goodies. I absolutely love when companies go out of their way, you know, make us feel a little extra special. We got lashes, we got some clips, hair scarf that I will be using. They do give us a little melt belt that I will be using. They give you a bonnet. Okay, Unice, okay, coming through. They give us a bonnet and then they also give us a hairband. This is what the hair looks like. Okay, I have washed, I did bleach the knots. This hair, you see the hair color it is. I bleached the knots because you know me, I just like to do the most. Like if I'm gonna try to put on a wig, I'm gonna do the best that I can. As you guys can see, the knots on the inside are completely bleached. We do have some like frontal spacing, just so you guys are aware, okay? Okay, so we're gonna just briefly put the wig on our head. As you guys can see, my hair is just slicked down. So I'm going to briefly put it on my head. I love the fact already that it's like big head friendly. So it's perfect for guys and gals out there with that big old head. This is what the hairline is looking against my hairline. I did not pluck it, okay? Kept it real simple. So this is what it's giving. So what I'm gonna do is actually cut some of this lace off because it's a bit much. Like, you know, sometimes companies, they be really giving you that space. But this is too much for me right now. So I'm going to just, you know, cut off some so I can actually see what's going on here. I'm going to go in with my handy dandy spray. Call it, I don't have like a mirror, so we're doing this right here. That's enough. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get our little things ready, like the comb. Once it's just a bit tacky, a bit. I look so cute. I just did my makeup. You guys, it's 7:00 p.m. Nowhere to go. I did my makeup. We're feeling fancy, okay? Recently been watching Stranger Things. It's a really good show. But it's getting tacky. But it's not tacky enough, but it's good. So going to just start putting it on our hairline. Told you guys I don't have a mirror. So I like to leave it on here for a bit before I even let it go. Just because like right now it's bonding to the skin. Like if I could reach over and touch both sides, I would try. Okay, yeah. I was really just making sure it was good on the hairline. So I kind of like pull it, and we gotta pull it enough. So we're gonna do this just for a bit so it can get tacky on the hairline. And then you can either brush it back a little, you know, just so everything kind of, you know, is in place. So once you feel like it's secure enough, and just use that melt belt they gave us. So now we're gonna let this melt belt sit as I go look for my razor. I do think that razors are a little easier to manipulate and use rather than, let's say, some shears, because the razor just gets it nice and defined and kind of gives it that jagged edge to make it look super nice and natural. Just briefly, parting space, you do get a good amount of parting space. I think I want to go for like a bust down middle, some quick little waves. But yeah, it's nice parting spaces. This is like my second or third time ordering from Unice hair, and I genuinely love their lace, and I absolutely love this color. It looks gorgeous. I haven't had like a full face of makeup on in a very long time. This wig is really long. Let me just kind of stand up for you guys so you guys can see. Okay, so it's pretty long. Let me go find my razor and be right back. Okay, quickly, because it is hot as hell. What I'm about to do, or what I've already done, is I cut the lace off and then I resprayed the hairline because it was kind of lifting. Like I said, it's hot. It's like 90 degrees, okay, and it's 7 p.m. So I resprayed it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go on with a wand and I'm going to just simply do this. I'm going to show you guys. Whee! Just like this. Throughout the whole head, and then I'm gonna add some hairspray. Then I'm gonna come back, finger comb it together. We might add some baby hairs, we might not, but we'll do that together if we do. So I'm going to go do the hair, then we'll be right back. Okay, so I just kind of like got some curls to bake, because I think I want to like frame my face with some of the curls. So far it actually looks really good. Like baby hairs, all that stuff is not really a necessity. But what I do want to do is just like, you know, like a few little pieces. But like overall, hair looks good. You see? To me, that looks good. But so far, it's giving, I'd like to take her on a date. Oh, hold on. So what I do want to do, I really am feeling these curls. I'm feeling them. I really don't want to mess them up. What I did to get like the perfect middle part, I would say, because it's giving natural. I don't be liking super defined parts. I feel like the more defined, the more not natural, you know what I mean? I just parted it down the middle and added some wax, and then that was it. I did go in with a wand curl. I wand curled it, and that was it. I haven't even like run my fingers through it because I'm kind of enjoying the vibes that it's giving. Super pretty. Like I feel like a gorgeous girl, you know. Gorgeous girls wear 24 inches, you know what I mean? Okay, so when it comes to the lace on this wig, I do think that it is super melty. Like I kind of left on a twinkle bit of lace, and I always leave on a twinkle bit of lace just so I can have more opportunity to manipulate the lace whenever I need to. I do feel like this is a all skin kind of complexions, because some of these companies send you medium brown lace, and granted you can manipulate lace and kind of turn it into your perfect shade. I feel like this was my perfect shade. It looks really good. Like I don't have any baby hairs in there, and I could have added some in there if I so wanted to, but I kind of just wanted to keep it easy and simple and very beginner friendly. So I really do like this wig. Like I said, I did bleach the knots. I went out of my way to bleach the knots because I saw a little bit of black knots in there, and whenever I can bleach the knots and just give myself that perfect opportunity to have a nice looking wig, I do so. And I want you to know it's easier to bleach the knots before you cut the lace off, because granted you can do it after you've cut the lace off. It's kind of really hard to maneuver that lace and, you know, bleach them knots. So I would just say always bleach the knots. But so far I really do like this hair. I want to see how many other styles I come up with. Parting space on the side, it is a little bit of parting space, so you have about this much on the side and a 13x4 in the front. So if you do want more parting space, do be sure to get you a lace frontal wig, not just like a lace front. Keep that in mind. So far, I absolutely love the hair. I don't want to like finger comb it because I do know that the curls are going to drop. I absolutely love this color. I do think that it is a color that complements all skin complexions. So if you guys are looking for any type of color this summer, fall, I do think that this is a fall staple, a beautiful color to have. Like I said, it's like 90 degrees right now, so it's hot. It's hot, but I absolutely love this hair. When it's like hot like this is when you find out how the hair is going to tangle, if it's going to tangle. I do think that density of the hair, let's see if it's on this package. It doesn't say the density, but it is 24 inches, and it's like a 412. color wise. So if you guys are interested in any hair updates, do be sure to ask. But I do think that this is going to be one of my go-to throw on wigs because the color is so gorgeous, the length is so beautiful, and I absolutely love the way the hair curled. When you guys first saw it, it had been air dried for like maybe like 3 weeks. I've had this wig just sitting in my arsenal of wigs that I have to do for like 3 weeks. Okay, so texture wise, it is like a slight body wave, nothing too major. Such a beautiful, it's so beautiful. Like when I say it holds a curl well, it really did a good job curling, and all I did was curled it, and then I think that it's going to straighten beautifully too. So if you guys have been interested, do be sure to check the links below. I will have everything there. I love it, so cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this super quick video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. This is like really one of the first times that I've like gotten all dolled up and done my hair and makeup like this. It's been a very long time, but I feel so beautiful. So hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like jdevincicollabs.